So, I want to share an analogy that I was talking about with a client today, and it was regarding conversations and opening up for conversations with family, where it has been a little awkward for a while, and she's just working on those relationships. So, let's think about a situation like an open house where you put the invitation out, you don't know who's going to come, you don't know which is going to show up, but people start walking through that door. And the first few that walk through, it can be a little awkward, it can be giggly, you can really kind of get to know who they are, but you haven't really felt comfortable yet to talk about your space either. However, after those first few people come in, you realize that people are going to show up. You're able to have conversations, and then more people start showing up. And then each time somebody shows up and you meet them, it gets easier and easier to say hi and to share what your space is about. So bring that all back to as if you are the open house and those are conversations that are happening. The first few are going to be weird, awkward, not too sure, not even sure if anyone's going to show up to them. But as you continue to do it, it becomes more comfortable and more people show up. And then you realize that they're there to see you and to connect with you. And it's not going to be as terrible as it might feel. So try and having those conversations. Think about it as an open house. You're just inviting those people in and go through that awkwardness, go through the first little hellos, and then from there, you're going to be able to enjoy the conversation and really connect with the people that have shown up and stayed during the open house and really got to know who you are. I hope that makes sense. I don't know, it was an analogy I thought about today, and hopefully, it connects with you in some way.